see you. I gotta keep you on the camera. Keep up right up above. There you are. Found you. Let's see how he was. Well, came out. Now we're talking. I can see, barely see him with the naked eye. That's 20x. It's cool when you get the mouth with the blue sky behind it. This is the film of the day. And no road noise. You can hear some kids in the background. I'm sure the bugs are eating up my legs, but this is just too good footage. Isn't that neat? Look at that little tail wagging. They give me a personal concert. About 15 feet away. They're coming on the other side, but they got it railed off. I'm leaning against the rail. So I'm pretty steady. Butterfly. I was trying to get a butterfly. Now I gotta find this guy again. Okay, we've had a good concert. Where do I go to pause? Maybe I can get a bird. Here's another one. I was looking for a blue heron because they were all flying around earlier. This one's white with a little black head. He's backlit. I don't think you can tell by his colors. That's why I paid $1,500 for this phone. is awesome. There's another 20x zoom. About the same distance, about 15 feet. You got a little different song. It's a nice day. It's worth getting a little sweaty. It's 80 degrees out here. I'm sweating. There's a little breeze though. Try to get a little closer. Where are you? There you are. Okay. That darn branch. I can't get around it. Where are you? Okay, I got you right between those branches there. I could get some still palms of that. I'm gonna go try to find a blue heron if I can.